How to make money with NFTs in 2022 step-by-step guide. Cryptocurrency investing is coming of age and several trends are rising and showing signs of being the next big thing in the crypto world. In the ever-evolving blockchain world, the technology behind cryptocurrency non-fungible tokens (NFTs) is quickly taking shape as a passive investment method. NFTs have become so popular that respected corporations, celebrities, and investors are launching or talking about launching their NFTs. The gaming industry is no exception to this, as NFTs have completely revolutionized the gaming space. A look at recent statistics reveals just how fast NFT popularity is rising. In 2020, the total NFT sales value was $250 million, while the first quarter of 2021 has a total sales value of $2 billion. So here in this video, we'll discuss about making money with NFTs in 2022, but before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. What is a non-fungible token? The simple non-fungible definition is goods or assets that aren't interchangeable. It's creating or having something that you can replace with something else. Fungibles are those that you can interchange one for another. Therefore, non-fungible tokens are units of data stored on a blockchain and certifies a digital asset as unique and, accordingly, uninterchangeable. You can look at them as a digital equivalent of private collectibles where each piece has a different value. Top ways to make money with NFTs. If you've been wondering how people make money with NFTs, you'll be glad to know there are several ways to do that. Look at these 4 ways that have had some tangible results. Digital works of art. Individual NFT artworks are among the most popular and valuable non-fungible tokens created so far in terms of profitability. The history of blockchain and art changed dramatically in March 2021 when an auction house sold artwork for a staggering $69 million. This was the auction house's first time auctioning a fully digital artwork. NFTs give the right of ownership to the artist such that when you create a digital asset, you're able to show proof of authenticity and profit from your work. If you happen to be a meme creator, you get to benefit when it circulates. Looking at it from that perspective, NFTs are a revolutionary technology for art creators. Fashion NFTs. In a similar way as with artwork, NFTs address authenticity issues and eliminate the possibility of counterfeits. Clothing and fashion brands are increasingly benefiting from the NFT trend by realizing a digitized, limited edition of their outfits with a collection of iconic celebrity pieces or design signatures. In addition, the clothing and fashion brands can benefit from NFT development by building an NFT marketplace for their clothes and accessories. This allows them to generate unlimited revenue from the NFTs in a secure and robust environment. Licensed collectibles. Tokenizing collectibles is among the best niche applications of NFTs and feels like it's the most obvious way to deal with collectibles. People already in the sector dealing with physical collectibles, such as trinkets, memorabilia, trading cards, and other items now have to sell the same as digital assets. With NFT's capability to prove uncommonness, the value of the collectibles can be significantly higher than their physical counterparts. The most popular collectibles so far are sports cards. Initially, the sports cards project only allowing the trading of licensed footballer cards. Now, the National Basketball Association (NBA) has also launched its collection of NFT cards. There's a high likelihood that other sports will follow suit, and collections will have a wider variety of sport NFTs to buy. This is not to say that other collectibles aren't doing well. As stated earlier, physical collectibles can be turned into tokenized assets and bought, traded, or sold as such. While physical trading and handling can damage the collectibles, NFTs never lose their quality as they only exist in digital form and are securely stored on the blockchain. Video games. Video game NFTs are also taking shape as blockchain allows you to turn the games from paying to win to playing to earn. For the games to engage larger audiences and increase revenue opportunities with high-demand rewards, NFT game development is the way to go. The games have functions that allow buying, selling, trading, or exchange of your collectibles. Although so far there aren't any games that have gained high popularity, the potential is enormous. With games being well-known huge spenders on virtual items, video games with NFTs sellable in-game items have a likelihood of becoming a big winner. Notably, NFT video game developers are also ambitious creators of NFTs, which might thrust the NFT technology further forward. Compared with other NFTs such as artwork, fashion, and trading cards, in-game NFTs are the most advanced of all. This is because they're complex, fully interactive, yet keep changing with time by having to upgrade it or to be leveled with the changes in a player's character. What's the easiest way to profit off of NFTs? The best way to make money off NFTs will vary by person. If you have the money to spare, your best bet may be to buy an asset that will obviously garner interest as time goes by. While some higher profile NFTs are overpriced right now, the NFT market is just beginning, so you'll have far less competition. If you're a content creator or influencer, you would likely be best off creating your own original NFTs and selling them. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.